Hey guys, it's Sean with Cracked Housing Fab. It's been 1 year since we posted our first video. One year ago, we built our first project called Not So Simplicity, and you guys loved it.
Special thanks to Mike over at Motor Mule. He gave us a shout out to get our channel moving in the right direction. As we were building Not So Simplicity, we knew we needed a good power plant.
We picked up a YZF 450. Some people thought we were crazy. We took a perfectly good running YZ 450, ripped the engine out, and put it in Not So Simplicity. Then you guys thought we were really crazy and we made the exhaust out of PVC. All right, step one to building a PVC exhaust. That comes down through, and then 90 that comes up from the bottom. You can see it comes down through. You can see that 90 comes down to the bottom, works its way along. That should turn out pretty cool.
Some of you guys were upset when we left you hanging on the first start video.
Let's see what we can do.
And then you guys laughed at us when we kept stalling it out when we were trying to take off.
Then once we got it going and we were having some fun, Kurt was obsessed with how much torque that engine had.
So much torque. So much torque. It's got the torque feel behind the wheel.
For this next clip, for some reason, I'm standing on some milk crates. But then we moved on to our next project, which was our drift trikes.
Today, we are going to build our drift trikes we've talked about to celebrate our 5,000 subscribers with these sweet bikes we have here. So we're pretty excited about that.
And then for our drift trikes, Kurt and I did a build off to see who made the better drift trike.
I'm already started.
Yeah, well.
What are you doing?
I'm just watching you to see what you're gonna do wrong.
Electrons.
It's like Kurt, I get to ruin a perfectly good bike. Then we had some really exciting news. We had Go Power Sports come on board to help us out with the drift trikes. So thanks a lot to those guys. Hey buddy.
Hey.
I got some exciting news.
What's that?
So we partnered up with Go Power Sports.
Hey guys, welcome back to Cracked Housing Fab. We got a surprise video for you. Sean's not here and we're getting stuff done.
That's right, Kelly. Today we're gonna wrap up our tires, get our drift trikes ready, and we're gonna take them for a spin. Stay tuned. Yeah,
How do you ride?
just give it gas.
I think I had the best drift trike out of the build.
No way, I did.
But it turns out you guys picked Team Kelly as the winner.
And then for Christmas, Go Power Sports sent us some awesome upgrades for the drift trikes.
That's right, this stuff's gonna be awesome, and you guys are gonna see that coming up real soon. Then we started our most ambitious project yet. It's a 95 YZF 600R. Like the color scheme and everything it just screams 90s.
Our 4x4 cross cart with the 600cc street bike engine. But most of all, thank you guys for all of your support.
That's right, we'll see you guys in 2021.